people, how are you guys doing? I'm gonna take off my sunnies because I feel like I can't connect like this. So we're basically in a farm called Maramba in Tigoni. We are in Tigoni, which is just a few, not even an hour, maybe about 30 minutes away from Nairobi, and we've come to visit some friends who live here. So today we're exploring a really big beautiful tea farm, and yeah, I'll show you guys around and yeah, enjoy the green with me. We're in the highlands, so it's a little bit sunny, but there's still a cool breeze, which is very comfortable to walk in. So it's 1 o'clock and we're probably gonna do about 2 hours of a mini hike. I don't know why I still got scared. Hey! It's a very steep hill. I might fall if I keep walking like this, but I'm not looking forward to coming back. So Narissa back here, one of my favorite human beings, is the one guiding us on this tour. Like I said, this is crazy steep, and I just asked her how we're coming back, and she's like, we'll figure it out. So I'll let you guys know how this goes. Cross fingers. Crazy. Okay, so hopefully this is safe and a good plan, nothing stupid. So I'm gonna show you guys a bamboo cave that Nari just discovered. Oh my gosh, it's like a cool box. As soon as you walk in, you feel it, warmth. You can actually stand in here.
Yeah. Should we sleep here tonight?
Ooh, I don't know about that. I mean, I do love nature, but I don't think I'm like a forest person that I would live. Oh, look, it even has an opening back there, but only to the river, I guess.
Perfect location to live.
It's a very still river, so yeah, it's beautiful. And it's so cool. So if you're walking in the tea farms, the sun is a little bit overhead at the moment, so it's really hot. But if you come in here, you can just take a breather and cool off a little bit. What's the plan?
We need to find our way across this river because we're trying to climb that hill, but there's a river in between.
I don't know about crossing a river. Does that mean I'm not so adventurous?
There's a bamboo that we could cross, but let's check up ahead.
You think maybe they've put a bridge in there? It's possible. There's a small river here. It looks like it's nothing deep, but it's a bit wide on this part.
Let's check up ahead.
Okay. So just to show you guys what it looks like, and Nari has the idea to cross this. And Kim, I'm gonna show you the culprits right there.
He's hiding behind me.
He's busy freaking us out, throwing things around. So we think there are creatures living in here. Not cool.
Let's check up ahead if there's
He's very cheeky, by the way.
A better crossing.
Okay, so let's look for a possible crossing. Oh. It's opening here. Okay, I don't think this is possible. That's all my thinking. So Narissa is going to attempt to cross that path. I'm not so sure about it, but she's our guinea pig. And if she manages to do it, I guess another person will try second. I'll be third. But I might be the one who gets into trouble. Oh, I hope not. Okay, wait, it looks fine. It's stable. Are you gonna get all the way to the end first?
Yeah,
Just so we're sure.
I pretty much reached the end. You guys can come.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'll just
Okay.
show you where to step.
Okay, I'm gonna try then. I'll be second. How did you go through that side? Get you adventurous friends who need to do things you would never think of. That would be my idea. Oh, it's almost like a become foragers.
Yeah, there's
From
some
0 to
inside.
100. We found some cranberries and
Sure, these are
I think
edible.
they're cranberries.
Before we start,
Oh my gosh, let's not poison ourselves. So that's,
are you guys sure these are Kim?
I think so. That's supposed to be edible, right?
I'm trying it.
I'll try a little piece.
I've
Can't
just
get
eaten
poisoned
one.
from.
It's fine.
It's fine, yeah?
It's the one.
Really up close and personal, huh? Hmm. It's not the same one I'm used to.
Well, I hope they're good because I've just eaten
Mm-mm.
two.
I'm not gonna eat it, just in case.
Yeah,
You wanna try? Also, as you'll find when you're doing nature trails quite often, I don't know if you can see them, let's see. Yep, those down there are safari ants, or in Kiswahili we call them siafu. Oh, they're terrible when these things sting you. I hear they also pee on you, it's so funny. But it itches so bad, you literally strip naked trying to get rid of them. So yeah, you should always watch out for these little buggers.
Where's the house that we were aiming for?
I
think we lost
it. Maybe it's up there actually.
It might be on the other hill. Anyways, it's fine.
the wrong hill.
Next time, I've literally tried to reach that house like 3 times.
Really?
And I've never got
Illusion.
I've never gotten there.
It's just an illusion. Oh, tea fields. So beautiful, huh? Now this spot kind of reminds me of Puerto. This spot. I don't know if you guys can hear me panting in the background. Clearly, I'm not as fit as I need to be. But yeah, we're working on it. A lot more movement this year. This quarter, actually. It's time for new beginnings, so I want to move a lot more. So one of my words has been actually for the first quarter and is going to be for the next one, is to be more active. And doing it in nature is the best because you get so much fresh air. Yeah, the only thing that's a little bit of a bummer is when sometimes the sun is too hot. Yeah, but this is cool because you get a little bit of a break in between. So sometimes you're directly in the sun and then other times you can find some shade in between because there's lots of trees in here. Yeah, it's really beautiful. See? And I'm not the slowest one either. Hey! We've walked quite a bit. We are basically, I think on the top of the highest hill around here. So I'm struggling a little bit. Also, my eyes are red because I have minor allergies, but it's fine. I'm not struggling in that sense today. And yeah, we've basically gone up to the highest hill, which is pretty much where we are at the moment. And then because we found a little clearing on the way before we came up, we will likely come back down to have a bit of a picnic before we head back. So I'm looking forward to actually just sitting down and relaxing and having a bite to eat. Really delicious sandwiches, which I'm going to show you a bit of, but I think I'm good to go, honestly. I'm good to go for now. We stopped for a little snack picnic and we're having sandwiches with baguette, a bit of cucumber, a bit of lettuce, tomato, onion, and mayo, and some cheese, red Holland cheese. Really delicious. We're right in the middle of the tea farms, so if you look ahead, basically the top of that hill is where we've come from, where that building is. So we walk all the way down, and right there in the middle there's a bit of bamboo, and the cave is in there, and then we managed to cross from there. Hello, good people! So I'm gonna wrap it up now because we just finished lunch. We had some sandwiches and it's refreshing and I feel energized and I'm ready to go up and down the hills again. So I'm not gonna pick up the camera until next time. So you guys have a good week. Mwah.